Hello everyone, today we are going to be taking a tour of this beautiful home behind me. This home is a model home from Perry Home and it is located in the subdivision of Pomona. Now Pomona is located on the outskirts of Houston, but don't worry, you still will have access to the major freeways to get to places such as the medical center or downtown with ease. So today's home, it is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home. It is the model of 2589, and that is the same amount of square footage the home has. This home does start at 461,900. Excuse the airplane, but we're also close to Hobby Airport as well. It's a 20-minute drive. So back to it. This home is a 1-story home. The good thing about this home and with this builder is that even though this home is a 4-bedroom, they give you several options. If you do not want a 4-bedroom, you could always change that 4th bedroom into an additional garage. So you'll have a tandem garage and it will become a 3-car garage. Also, the dining room, if you don't want a dining room, because some people just don't do formal dining rooms, they will give you the option where you can make it into a study. Now, they are starting to build for their new home section is right behind me. It's going to be 50-foot sections, 55 sections, and also 60-foot sections. And some of these sections do have waterfront views. So if you are into wanting to have a home that has a beautiful view of water, they have that as well. So we're going to take a quick view of this home. Oh, by the way, I am Linda Blue, your new home construction consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Let's go ahead and take this tour. If you have any questions regarding this home or any other home, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. Also, remember to hit that subscribe, like, and that bell so you can be notified of new videos of new construction homes that are located in the Houston Metroplex area. Thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful day.